Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve server error on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve server error on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.